from what I just saw. Woo!
He ain't tiny.
Woo!
That's one big rod.
Ooh.
That boy that top.
So we're back out here the next day. We have found a giant bait ball he's about to cast on top of too. Yeah, you can go ahead and cast. How's it going?
Yeah, it'll be good.
This is the first bait ball I've seen in forever.
That's good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, put that all in there. My God, yeah, we got bait now.
That'll hold. Okay.
No, that's plenty. I just want to get out of their way. Got baited it. Dude, I saw that crowd with the cast net and I saw a giant black ball. So yeah, we're here at the spot right now. We just got some baits in the water. I got mine. He's still rigging up his. We're just gonna have 3 rods out, and I'm gonna set this one up with a free pitch bait if I can, just in case if we get like a stingray or something that has a cobia set up on it. Some of the best hooks ever made. I love them. Tiny little hooks, but extremely strong. Yeah, well, yeah, I guess we'll see y'all when we get hooked up. Yeah, I got him. Shark. I lost him.
Oh, I got him.
Oh yeah. He got a little bit bigger, didn't he?
He's showing me his true size.
Shaky, shaky, head shaky. Oh, oh.
I feel like a stingray though. Stingrays don't pull like this.
Oh, wants to go. Oh, you see coming for the chum bag? That's amazing. Ooh.
He wants his chum bag.
Look at him. Don't grab it right before he touches it. Right before. Oh. That's wild. Get ready to. That's so cool. How close he's getting.
I know.
I want to stick this thing underwater, but. Try not to move. He probably sees us.
Yeah.
He really wants that. Or all the shad juices coming out from the bottom of the boat. I just can't wait. He's about to hit your line. I know. He's gonna do it quickly too. Hooked up to, oh my God. Hey, did you see how big that shark is?
Yeah.
I'm not getting him in, I don't think. Woo! Woo! It's the same crap from yesterday. There's no head shake. That's the hammerhead. Wait, don't tire him out first. There you go.
Oh my God. Look up. Bye bye bye.
There's the biggest shark of my life I've ever seen right there.
Oh my God.
Okay, well,
What the hell is that?
here we go.
Woo! Dang, you're gonna get spoiled on that one. You got scared to ride over.
Oh my God! It's a 12-footer! What'd he say?
Can't hear nothing that fucking reel.
Well, I saw him and I saw that. Oh yeah. This is the rod to do it on.
With that 100-pound mono. Goddamn, son.
She's locked tight.
Oh my God.
This 6,000 is the strongest rod we got. I don't think that thing could. See, this is what you're supposed to.
Oh.
There it went.
Jesus, let's see how much line you got. Hold, bring, you're coming in.
Oh, there's two. Oh, my story. That's a different shark. That ain't even a hammerhead.
That's bull shark.
What is that? Okay, definitely not a cobia. We're good on that.
That's bull.
Yeah, there's a bull and then there's the hammer or another bull.
Jesus. There's names, but I'm the sharks over here.
I got.
Oh,
I'm hooked up.
I'm about to be hooked up too.
Okay, I'm just gonna stop him because I don't want it.
That's all I got. We just ate that.
Woo!
Bring me in. He's gonna jump in the boat.
God. Oh, there he goes.
Oh my God.
What?
Okay, there's a dolphin.
I don't know, from what I just saw. Woo!
Keep her tight. Keep her tight.
Oh, dude, I actually have a bruise from yesterday. Dude, I'm kind of scared you're gonna get like a little. Yeah, what's he doing? Is he just chilling? Maybe. Oh yeah, let's just get comfortable now.
Lean back.
Hey, now I want you to grab him by the head.
Almost touched it.
Oh my God, what the freak is he doing down there? What's he doing? You come about.
Gave up on spinning.
There you go. I got my weight back though.
Afraid of her like a motherfucker.
No, he didn't. I think that looks all right.
She ready for a hook.
Isn't it weird? Or is it? It's either that or it's a baby shark. It's a baby shark. Oh no, no! Don't you get tangled up in the lines?
Just barely big enough to manhandle. Tight.
Watch out for the anchor. He'll come back there.
You're in a 100-pound mono, don't force it.
Oh, another hammerhead. Oh, a little one. He just.
Oh, I gotta let some line. Yeah, that's my rig. It's in my rig. Alright, she's slack.
Okay, he's little enough that we can just mess with. This one might pop off, just letting you know. Oh, he's bleeding through the gills. Yeah, see if you can get that out if you can. Oh my God, we got him out. Okay, hold on. Yeah, just let him go, he'll go. We're gonna try to hold him, but...
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wild out here. Where the hell did he come from? You got a fish in the boat.
God damn it.
Finally.
I didn't break him off this time.
I know, and you got the hook out.
And he didn't fret.
That is perfect. Hopefully he's able to heal up and he maybe should be fine.
Just the
That's
slightest
perfect.
Oh,
This feels tiny. Okay.
she ain't tiny. She ain't tiny.
I don't know which way she's going. Oh, she's going back. We're good. Yeah, she's a sharky.
Oh shit, I got a fish.
Oh, here we go. Oh, I got a hammerhead.
I'm fucking lost over here.
I got about the same size hammerhead. Is yours big?
Yep, mine's big. And mine's shark for sure.
Okay, I should be able to handle this by myself. Oh my God, my pull's kind of hard. Come up. There we go. Oh my God.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Mine's coming to the left.
Mine's in the air. Okay, I got you. There you go, buddy. Whew.
We can grab the remore off his back.
Oh.
Alright, well, give me that D-hook. Mine's about gassed out. Oh, never mind. Good. Just lost all weight.
Little sand shark and bull shark.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, hammerhead. There's a hammerhead right there.
That is the one. Oh fuck.
Hey, don't you touch that line. Yeah, we're gonna get you back over here. Now we're set up.
Ride to be on.
My God. Really? To the fork.
Oh shit, my 8,000's going off.
Woo! Oh, you see him? You see him? You see him down there?
Oh, yeah, it's a butterfly.
Oh, it is? It's another one?
Yeah.
Any cobia?
No, I don't see any.
Hey, watch out grabbing that leader too. Or is that just a big stingray? No, that's an actual. Watch out, watch out. I need Crocs. Crocs will be rated for this. Oh my God, he's a monster.
Yeah, he's not tired yet.
Here, you want to switch? Here you go. I loosened the drag when I did that too, so let me. That's crazy. Did it pop?
Yeah.
Well.
The hook just shot out.
Oh, the hook came out?
Perfect.
Even perfect! At least the GoPro got to see it though. Make sure that's alright. Yeah. Hey, well, we'll see you when we get hooked up again. Woo! Get some live action. 1,000, yeah, I want a 6,000.
To the top.
Oh, we're gonna get a jump. We're gonna get a jump.
Back to the top.
He's a screamer.
Dakota, grab my big rod.
Oh God, big rod's going off too. And it popped off. Oh, hammerhead. Hammerhead, what are you doing there, buddy? Don't go for it. Don't leave it. Hammerhead, go. Oh, I don't think that.
The hammerhead.
I know. Hey, look at him.
Oh, yeah, grab the bag.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. No, leave the bag. He ain't messing with it.
It was about 80 coming up your bottom.
It broke me off.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that. What? Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely go.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna lock my drag now. Yeah, I'm on. He's going to the surf. Oh, that was a big hit.
Yeah.
Ooh. Probably school hammerheads.
Oh shit, we're about to have 3. Dakota, we're about to be.
Oh God. Balloon rig, go off.
My 6,000's going off. We're about to have to hook it and set it down. Big old shark. Got the floppy tail there.
Tarpon. Imagine. Hope yours are.
We're on, boys. Oh, she's angry.
Hammerhead.
Oh, yeah.
Shh. Leave me alone now. Look, haha. You...
Alright. Go ahead, Shaggy. Dead weight. You want me to help you out? I'm gonna put mine in a rod hole.
If you want to.
That's crazy.
He's got power.
Yes.
Okay, you're good. Drop it. Okay, you can let him go.
Stingray.
You mean balloon rig?
Oh shit, yeah, get that balloon rig. It's still there. Stingray's just sitting on the bottom.
This is like a giant one. Yeah, that's stingray. Yeah. Are you? Look at me. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're at 19%.
Oh, he's coming up.
As long as we get to see
You
him.
got that.
Oh my God, dude. No coat. He's just pretty. Okay. Look at that tail. That's what killed Steve early. Hey, this one ain't a gusher like last one. I'm still hooked up, by the way. There he goes.
We'll look up his tail.
Okay.
Maybe hook him.
I think mine was jumping too, trees. Oh yeah, and hope him and that stingray don't become friends. Shark. Did you lose him? What? Yeah, you lost him. I saw that. Head shakes could be anything though. We're being real. I'd shake my head too if there's something in my mouth. Okay, that was a different type of head shake. Yep. Well, okay, back to what I was doing. Something's messing with the big balloon out there, the big bait on it. It don't look too big though. It only looks like a 4 foot from out here. Boy, I ate my weenies today.
See how many you got.
See how many I did eat. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, Dakota, what did you do?
What? I'm not on yours. Oh yeah, get in my fighting chair. Let's pull him in. Mine's bigger than what, unless that hammerhead got smaller. Let's see, grew.
One of us has got that hammerhead. That seems a little stronger than that hammerhead.
Yeah, that seems. Blake, this is a big boy.
Dang it. That's one big rod.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, she's shining. That's what I like to hear. Ooh, ooh. Maybe I should actually fight the fish now. This might be bigger than what.
That's a big boy.
I don't think it's bigger than what that 6,000 hooked up today, but what? Oh, that's your balloon.
That's my balloon.
Oh my God, please be something big.
He just grabbed you.
Do you actually have one?
I got something big. I got Dakota. Goddamn Dakota.
Stop him! Oh, watch out. Ain't as much pressure. Oh my God.
This is the big one. Oh my God, he broke it.
No, he didn't. No, you know he broke it. He had to just come off. I got more. I got a bag full of them.
Oh, he popped it.
I guess that'll be it for today. I guess we're gonna go head in, and I don't know when the next time I'll be out.
Dakota Mason, Shark Mason. Dakota Mason signing off.